What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see today it's track day. Been a long time with brown coat folk since we've been to the track. I had got a little time on it. I already know what type of time it's on, so now I'm just going to take it, man, really so everybody can see it. But while I'm down there, I'm gonna run it a couple of times. Y'all know my routine. I might try to catch me a little race or whatever in the lane like I always do. Some little motor action call. I mean, I know what this thing do down there. I'm not adjusting no shocks and stuff. I could get it better. So I know it's gonna be bouncing down there like last time, but it is what it is, man. I still think it's enough to get the job done. So we finna go ahead and load up. Got the L150 already hooked up. We got the 2 new tires on there already. As y'all seen in another vlog. And yeah, man, we about to be good to go. We about to be good to go. So finna get this thing loaded up so I won't have to be scrambling doing all that later this evening. And I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all, I got it all loaded up. Brown coat good to go. Finna pour the rest of that 114 in here. Get a little octane. And we're gonna put a little bit of the cherry bomb in there. The other one for wifey car, the grape. I smell the grape before. That grape sure does smell good. Especially when you blend it with some racing gas. Cause it's a car at the track, man. It's a Monte Carlo. I used to run this stuff all the time, man. When I say smell good, I need to wipe this funnel out too. And I'm finna hit the back with this waterless car wash. I always use it. They had sent me some year back. I still got some left. Cause you see, dust on the tailgate. We can't have that. The rest stud straight. Cause dust always get on the back of the cars, man. Always right there. On all of them. The Camaro, this and that. The rest stud be clean. But the dust will collect on the back for whatever reason. So I'm finna get something to wipe that out. Get a shot towel. Then we're gonna pour that gas in there. And that cherry bomb fragrance. And shoot, when I turn y'all back on, man, cuz will be getting ready to go to the track, cause he gonna pull up on me. So yeah. All right, y'all, we checking in. Man, Cuzzo just made it to the track. So I'm just now turning y'all back on. It's a good day. It's a perfect day to test. Cause it ain't a whole bunch of people down here like that. So I guess we're gonna get old brown coat unloaded. I just hate, man. I just hate the it be getting dark now, so you can't even see. You can't see the real color. You can't see the real color, but I'm gonna go ahead and check get the tire pressure set while it's on the trailer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and roll it off. Probably gonna put run about 9.5, and see what that do. And I guess when I turn y'all back on, we're gonna be making a hit. I mean, we're gonna be making a hit when I turn y'all back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put GoPro in the car. All of that. This truck here very low maintenance, cause it's just motor right now. I mean, so it ain't really nothing to it. And the tire pressure, I gotta drop it, cause I had I put 13 in there. I think I put 13 in there, just keep them pumped up. But I'm gonna get the thing loaded, then we'll check back in. I'm checking in, man. Got a little off the trailer grub Mustang right here. We're gonna try some, see what it do. We're straight out the trailer. So going out there, man. We're gonna see what it do, y'all. Stay tuned.
more, a little bit more. Add a little bit more, bro. We got money on line on this one.
All right, y'all, ticking in, man, ticking in. I just seen the ticket way off. The 60 foot off by like 2/10. The ET off by 3/10. So that was off right there. When I got back and looked at the draggy, I had the draggy on. When I looked at the draggy, I said, yeah, it's off. It's off. So he beat me by like a car, well, a little over a bumper, because I say a car length is actual space, and there was a little space in between her, not a lot. But it was a race car, regardless of what he said. I didn't know it's part of the hustle. There was a race car just, but y'all know how I do. I get down, go out there, I ain't gonna ask for nothing. And I'm true, run around town, street car. That car got a cage in and stuff with 2 seats, which a cage don't determine whether it's a street car or not, but I knew without racing, I just don't kill. So we bring it back to like you supposed to, man, run what you brung. That is what it is. But I know what time it'll be with one of the other cars, so that's why I race people too. I don't mind racing anybody. I might see if I can race somebody else. My ticket out though. My ticket out, they was straight out the trailer. We just tried some. So we're gonna try to air the tires up. We're gonna try to air the tires up some and then see what it do. Cause that 60 foot was terrible. And that ET was terrible. So we're gonna try to put some air in this thing, man, and see if we can get this thing back to what it's supposed to lay down. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all, he got it though. That's the car. That's a race car though. That ain't cool. Oh, that's a race car though. But I'm just getting y'all some content. Like I said, we ain't tripping. We ran for a little 100, something light. back out there and I might have got the tire too hot, man, because I wanted to do another burnout because they were taking a long time, but we might have got the tires a little too hot. So we're gonna see what the ticket say. I bet the 60 foot probably ain't the best. And we're gonna take it back in with y'all, so I kept y'all. Alright, y'all, we're about to make another hit. Pump the tires up to put the tires on level. We're gonna see what that do. See it? My brother CJ down here, man, the crack pudding. Y'all got to hit him up, man. I got his Instagram on the screen right now. Y'all got to try that, man. I got to try that. Man, we just made another hit in brown coat. It got a little better, but the 60 is still off. It got the ET got better, 60 still way off. It's spinning on the line. But my little bro said go up in tire pressure. Said we tried that helped. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Oh. Alright, y'all see everybody got the pudding over here, my little bro.
Pudding over here, man. Look at this.
That crack pudding.
And we're gonna get another one to go on the road.
Yeah, man.
I'm playing around.
Get my little brother, man, his fiance Brandy.
She talking about she wanna get her now. I like to eat mine cold. Keep it on ice for me.
That crack pudding, boy, it ready.
Keep it on ice for me.
Got my oh yeah. Got my boy ALT Marco. I'm finna make a hit and hit call for him. We're gonna get a bait line on the hard tire first, and then we're gonna put these on there, and then we're gonna see what it do. So we're gonna get it on. He's perfect temperature right now too. We drove this thing all the way down here too, from a good little ride. So can't say it ain't true street car. So I'm finna check his tires. These 17, so I'm finna check his tire pressure. We probably have to drop them. They pumped up real hard, and he done about burned them off. I guess it really ain't gonna matter. But alright, y'all, we checking back in, man. So about to go ahead and get the tires put on brown coat, so we can load it up. There's a lot of dew out here. That grass just soaking wet right now. So we just made 2 hits. 60 foot just off. But I'm gonna holler at y'all and get to the house. I'm gonna get these tires switched up and get on the trailer, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking back in, man. Back at the house. Shout out to Cuzzo, man, always helping me put everything up. Even though it be late and stuff. Shout out to my little bro, Cedro, man. His fiance Brandon for coming through today. Always good to see my little brother. Shout out to my guy CJ. My bro Marcus, AMG Marco, bringing the Monte Carlo down. Shoot, man, it was a good time, man. It was a good day at the track. You know what I'm saying? Said ran one little grudge race, and I say it's called a grudge race because we did bet, so I just bet $100. I did something like they wanted to bet too, but I knew I wasn't gonna win. Cause it was a race car. Now he said it wasn't a race car, but it part of the game. It had a bumper. It was a It used to have a bumper exit in it, didn't have a tag, no register tag, 2 seats. I mean, it didn't sit like me. Y'all know on True Street. Y'all saw me burn the road up, man. That car cannot follow me on the road. I'm just being real. You can see the video and say otherwise, but I'm just being real. That car cannot go where my truck go. I ain't saying it can't ride around town. It probably can. You can take any race car. My car can ride around town. True fact. But it can't get on the interstate and go. It can't go to another state like I can. So I'm just showing y'all how I am though. This is what I believe in. Run what you brung, man. I try anything. Like I said, I just always get called out by race cars though. That's the facts. I told y'all I get called out by race cars. My cars are fast to be true street car. And I know what fast is. I've been racing long enough. I've been doing it long enough. I know when a car quick. And I know what's quick for a race car. I know what's quick for a motor car, this and that. My cars are fast for what they people gonna see. And when I ran him too, when I looked at the ticket was off by 3/10. Which if you racing, you know that's a lot. That's a whole lot. My ticket was off by 3/10. And the 60 foot, the track went it went all the way there. And I know it called my guy Mandrell. He went there, man. It wasn't a lot of it wasn't no VXT out there tonight. That's just the facts. 60 foot, my 60 foot was off, way off, and the ET was way off too. Even the second run, it did a little better, but the ET was still off by 2/10 and some change. But I mean, it was fun though. It was a fun day. I just want to run brown coat because I haven't run it in a long time. I don't really care about getting it fine tuned for that track and all that because I plan on taking it to a radio track and stuff one day. But I had to run it with the new paint. I wanted to bring it out, this and that. So now we just let me see. Next time I take it to the track, it's probably gonna be middle of Georgia. It's probably gonna be middle of Georgia. So, and we'll see what it do. We'll see what it do. But like I said, next time, man, I go to Head Hunt, I might bring the Camaro out or try some people with Camaro. I'm gonna start drawing on these race cars with Camaro car. I said I'm gonna do all my racing at the end of the year because my Camaro will run right with some of these cars that's set up for all out racing. They're just the facts. And my Camaro will run with them on 93 octane. I'm just keeping it a buck. But that's what we gonna do. Next time I'm gonna bring John Jones, man, and then we'll see what's up, what's to it. John Jones got a nice record. Let me think. Had that car been beat? That car had been beat twice. Due to technicalities, and I mean traction problems. That's why. Traction problems. One time messed up with the light. Other time was a traction problem, but straight up, everything doing what's supposed to. The car has not been beat. Not yet. Every dog got a day though. They just racing. You race enough, you gonna get beat. You race enough, you gonna win. That's just how it go. But I'm just showing y'all in this video, like people be saying girl racing. I'm not throwing no money away. I just did. I ran a car that I know was a race car, and I didn't have no business beating. But if I did beat it, it wasn't gonna look good. That's all to it. And I'm just stating the facts. But I'm just showing y'all, like that's how I get down. It run what you brung, man. I don't get down with all this new stuff. Like I said, just keep it straight up and down. You're a race car, say you're a race car. We probably still can try some. I still try you because anything happen with racing. I'm just not gonna throw no 500 and all that. Cause I'm really not a grudge racer. I don't grudge race no more. I used to do that in the street. I'm just about having fun or whatever. Cause I don't need no money. I ain't trying to hustle nobody out no money. If my stuff break, I can afford to fix it myself. As y'all seen that, I ain't trying to fix it with another man's money. I ain't got to do that. That's just what it is. If my stuff break, I'm gonna go fix it myself out my own pocket. So that's it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Catch y'all later. BCG. We out.